Hello, this is Code King, and I am a game developer. I just worked in advanced training from a company, and still I am practicing in game development. I am not an expert guy, so I am welcoming to all. Good evening, guys. So this is my channel, and first of all, I wanna tell you that education is light, lack of is darkness. This is a Russian proverb, and I think also education can changes our society. So lots of blah blah blah. So I wanna tell you that this channel I created for only education purposes, and I lots of many time I provide you some computer coding tutorial and how to start game development with Unity tutorial, Android Studio tutorial, and yeah, I have to write this is my covering purposes and covering syllabus. This is game, okay, let me check. Game blah 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 development. Okay, and second subject is Android Studio, and this is covered by app development. Okay, so after that I will cover some video with C#. Yeah, this is important for game C#, and next thing is Java. This is also important part to create some application software or something else, and also gaming part also, because some game also developed by Java coding. Okay, so next part is Kotlin. I also know Kotlin in few more things, and yeah, Kotlin is important nowadays. And third part is structured query languages. Okay, this is important for databases. And next part is web designing. Okay, this is small thing, but this is helpful for everyone to create website and all that thing. Okay, let me check. And I live in Bangladesh, but I have to provide my all content in English and international languages, so that everyone in the world can see the video and give me feedback about my videos and all those things. And okay, next part is some programming hacks. Okay, this is important, this is gonna be important maybe. So I want to cover some VFX also, that is important for game. And next part is AR/VR. Okay, this is important and more interesting for everyone. And last but not least is that tech ideas. Okay, this is gonna be more interesting. Okay, so blah blah blah, this is my covering syllabuses. And for my interest, I worked with a monkey face 3D in Unity. Here is the monkey faces, and I colored it with Unity, but this is my first video, so that's why I couldn't explain everything, or this is not a tutorial, this is a demo. So this is the monkey. You could change the color, you could change the shader, everything here, and you could zoom it here also. And this is eye and everything, you could change everything. Next tutorial, part by part, I will describe you everything that I know, but I know I am not a good teacher and I am not a bad teacher, but I will provide you some good content at my best. Okay, thank you. This is Code King. Bye bye.